It is only first and second position in the high jump event. Second position is shared by two winners, Juma Roy of Matangiri House and Shoma Roy of Nivedita House. Give a huge round of applause to the winners of high jump. They have secured second position, Juma Roy from Matangiri House and Shoma Roy from Nivedita House. Congratulations to the winners, to the second position holder, Juma Roy from Matangiri House and Shoma Roy from Nivedita House. First position goes to Kulsum Parveen from Sarojini House. She has secured first position in the high jump event. Congratulations Kulsum Parveen for securing first position in the high jump event.
जा